Hi, Oprah. It's me, Big Bird.
And me, Baby Bell.
And as a special Sesame Street birthday greeting to the McCoy septuplets, we are going to count to 7.
That's right, because there are 7, count 'em 7, all turning 1 on the very same day.
Right. Okay, let's count the babies in the order in which they were born.
Okay.
Number 1.
Happy birthday to Ella Rose. She turned 13 today.
Number 2.
Happy birthday to Isla.
Number 3.
Happy birthday to No Dazzler.
Number 4.
Happy birthday to Chase.
And last but not least, number 7.
Happy birthday to the little one. From
all your friends on Sesame Street, happy birthday to you. And you.
Oh, and you.
And you.
And you.
Okay, thanks.